S&D Tax Services is here to explain a W-2 form. A W-2 form, also known as the Wage and Tax Statement, is an official document that employers in the United States are required to provide to their employees annually. It summarizes an employee's total earnings and the amount of taxes withheld from their paychecks over the course of the calendar year. Employees use this form to prepare their federal and state income tax returns. Here is an explanation of the key elements found on a W-2 form. Employee information. 1. This section includes the employee's name, address, and social security number, SSN. Employer information. 1. This section contains the employer's name, address, and employer identification number, EIN. Wages and compensation. 1. Box 1. Wages, tips, other compensation. This box reports the total amount of money you earned from your employer before any deductions or taxes. 1. This includes your salary, hourly wages, bonuses, and other forms of compensation. 2. Box 2. Federal income tax withheld. This box shows the total amount of federal income tax that was withheld from your paychecks throughout the year. 3. Box 3. Social Security wages. This box indicates the portion of your income subject to Social Security taxes. 4. Box 4. Social Security tax withheld. This box shows the total amount of Social Security tax withheld. 5. Box 5. Medicare wages and tips. This box indicates the portion of your income subject to Medicare taxes. 6. Box 6. Medicare tax withheld. This box shows the total amount of Medicare tax withheld. Other information. 1. Boxes 7 to 12th of May contain various codes and dollar amounts that relate to other forms of compensation or benefits, such as retirement plan contributions, employer-sponsored health insurance, and other fringe benefits. State and local taxes. 1. Boxes 13-20 provide information about state and local income tax withholding and other relevant details for your specific state and locality. Additional information. 1. Box 14. This box may contain additional information or codes specific to your employer's policies or benefits. 2. Box 15. State Employer's Identification Number, EIN. This is the employer's EIN for state tax purposes. 3. Box 16. State wages, tips, etc. 3. This shows the total wages subject to state income tax. 4. Box 17. State income tax. This reports the total amount of state income tax withheld. 5. Box 18. Local wages, tips, etc. 5. If applicable, this box displays the total wages subject to local income tax. 6. Box 19. Local income tax. This shows the total amount of local income tax withheld. Allocated tips and dependent care benefits. If you received allocated tips or dependent care benefits through your employer, these will be reported in boxes 8 and 10, respectively. Retirement plan contributions. Box the 12th of May include codes for various types of retirement plan contributions, such as 401k contributions. Other deductions. Some employers may report other deductions or items in box 14. These could include union dues, educational assistance, or other special circumstances. Employer's state ID number. Box 15 contains the employer's state identification number. Local information. Boxes 16 through 20 contain information related to state and local income taxes. Employees should review their W-2 forms for accuracy and use the information provided to complete their federal and state income tax returns. Employers are required to send W-2 forms to employees by January 31st each year, and employees should retain these forms for their records. If there are any discrepancies or errors, employees should contact their employer to make corrections as needed.